Hi, I'm Deepak Patania and welcome to another episode of The Art of Science. Some paints float on water and that makes interesting patterns. We thought let's use this property to make some art.
For this, all you need is nail paints, gloves to keep your hands clean, a bowl of water, and some white bottles. Have you ever wondered why we are called the Art of Science? Well, in this video, we'll quite literally see the art of science. Nail paints are hydrophobic in nature. It implies that they dislike water. This, along with the fact that nail polish is less dense than water, causes the nail paint to simply suspend and form a layer on top of the water. The nail paint tends to stick together rather than dissolving in water. When we put the bottles inside the bowl, the nail paint layer sticks to the bottle because the adhesive force between the bottle and the nail paint is higher than that of the nail paint and water. This layer of nail paint simply forms a film on the bottle, resulting in this cool but random and amazing pattern. Nail polish works best for this experiment since it's easily available. It also dries very fast, so it doesn't trickle down when we remove the bottle from the water. Did you know that nail polish originated in China as early as 3000 BC? Back then, they used a substance like gelatin and vegetable dyes to achieve the same results.